to the Gentleman Ultras YouTube channel, and we've got the morning paper review again. An interesting night in the Champions League because both Juventus and debutants Atalanta went into action. What a night it was. Juventus went to Madrid and in the Wanda Metropolitana drew 2-2. Now, Gazzetta dello Sport, although it was a good performance, they came up with "too bad, beautiful lady." Interesting comments because Juventus played really well, especially at parts of the second half, as Gazzetta says. Very expansive, started to really control the game and gave us glimpses of what this old lady side might be under Maurizio Sarri. However, you look at Corriere dello Sport here, they came up with Herrera, the spoil sport, because it was in the 90th minute that Juventus conceded, which meant it was 2-2 after blowing a 2-goal lead. They go on to say here that it was quite interesting that they had the game in hand, but they must improve in dead ball situations. Really is a point this with Juventus at the moment. They have conceded, especially when we look at the game against Napoli early on and how they let them come back into the game. But overall, more positives and negatives. Going to Tutto Sport on this one, it's a pity, but that's the real Juve. And they also say that the Bianconeri were spectacular in Madrid. And in stoppages, Cristiano Ronaldo could have taken that away. So, what of Atalanta? Well, quite a different story there. A lot of expectation, a lot of hope, a lot of admirers, and a lot of fans. 3,000 travelled over to Zagreb, where it looked as though it was going to be a real night of celebration. Unfortunately, it didn't end up like that. I mean, how to put it here? Probably one of the best headlines here is simply from Corriere dello Sport. Atalanta's nightmare debut in Zagreb. 4-0 on the night. An absolute destruction, a drubbing, whatever you want to call it. Gasperini said that it was total domination from Dynamo. Nothing Atalanta could do. They were fairly toothless, probably overcome by the occasion. You look at it now and they were, as Tutto Sports say here, demolished. They were annihilated by Ledea were annihilated by Dynamo, should we say. And there's nothing really to say apart from those 3,000 fans were applauded by the team in the final whistle, probably being the most poignant thing of the day. Other interesting points here is that one comment in the Gazzetta dello Sport just before the Milan derby placed that there was some tension in the inter-dressing room between Lukaku and Brozovic. Didn't come to blows, but according to the Pink Paper, there was some words said about Lukaku questioning the team in general about their work ethic and their fight against Slavia Prague. Interesting that Lukaku says that, blowing a number of chances, but at least, I suppose he was trying. Brozovic apparently didn't take too well, and it blew up a little bit. So a little bit of tension is there for the Nerazzurri before the derby. That will be interesting. But let's see how that affects their display on the day. Okay, that's the paper review from the Gentleman Ultra, and we will speak again soon.